Hello everyone! In today's demo, I'm going to go over how you can keep your paintbrush tips pointy. This is especially important if you do a lot of fine detailing. So today we are going to be going from this, a dirty, frayed, 00 pointed round brush, to this, a nice sharp point, almost as good as new brush. I'm going to be using my favorite brush cleaner called the Masters Brush Cleaner and Preserver. You can get this at any art store or even on Amazon for around $9. I like this cleaner because I can clean the brush in the tub provided. But if you don't have something like this, a regular bar of unperfumed soap will work in a pinch. I'm also going to be using an old rubber kitchen glove and a very small container of water. I'm going to take this and pour it directly into my soap cleaner. You really don't need a lot, just a little tiny bit to get the soap to suds up. This brush is pretty dirty. It still has dried paint in it, and it definitely has lost its point. The first thing I'm going to do is just gently swirl it into the soap and water. You can see the paint coming off right away. I want to be sure to get any paint that might be stuck where the bristles meet the brush ferrule. I'm going to keep doing this until I don't see any more paint come off. Next, I'm going to swirl the brush onto the palm of my rubber glove. I want this to get really sudsy and foamy. I want to be sure I'm giving the brush a good wash. I like how these gloves have a textured surface to really help scrub the bristles. I'm swirling my brush into the clean water and then giving it one last scrub to create a little more foam. By twirling the brush between my fingertips, I can remove the last stubborn dried bits of paint. I'm sure that all of the paint has been washed out by now, so I'm just going to be using this foam to help shape the brush by pinching the bristles between my fingers until I get a nice sharp point. The brush will dry overnight, keeping its shape. But I do like to give it one more rinse before I start painting next, just to be sure all of the soap has been rinsed out. Hopefully this will help keep your brushes looking like new a little longer. You all have been sending in some great tutorial suggestions. Thank you so much. I'm trying to get through all of them to make sure that all of your questions have been answered, but do please keep sending them in. I love hearing your ideas. As always, thank you so much for your support this month. Until next time, bye.